Bradley here, looking inside this mysterious box. What do I find in this mysterious box? It is a joystick. And it's not just any joystick. The Commodore Joystick. Commodore Joystick. And it is made for the Plus 4 and the C16. How do I know? Because look at that plug. Now I know somewhere, somebody made adapters and such. Now, does this joystick work? I have no clue. I mean, just the feel of it. It does seem to feel like it would, but does it work? I don't know. You know what? I don't have one of these. I do not. So this is something I'll probably take down to the pet room and just leave down there. And will I ever be able to test it? Maybe. Maybe not. But it will be part of the world. Well, not the world of Commodore. Mind you, the world of Commodore is coming. Go to Google, search World of Commodore 2025, and you will find out that it is indeed happening. I think it's the 6th and 7th of December 2025, the Admiral Inn in Mississauga, Ontario, which is very close to Toronto, but don't you worry, because that was also the original World of Commodore was in Mississauga at the International Center. Now here's an interesting thing, and I don't know why, but here is a cord that would go to a joystick. Looks like the one I just showed you, except it's been snipped. Snip. But there's the end of the cord of the cables for Plus 4. I think it is. Oh, you know what this is? Probably. No. This is probably the cord from the datasette that was all chewed up. Probably it was. So it could be resurrected, I suspect. It could be. Alright, well. Next time we'll look at more things in this magical box. Until then, David Bradley, signing off for now. Bye for now.